In a recent development, Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro has allocated a $5 million grant to the Al-Aqsa Islamic Society in Philadelphia. This funding, the largest ever awarded to a Muslim organization in the state, is intended for the Mosque's community center, aiming to add 12 classrooms and educational spaces for nearly 300 students. However, this decision has sparked controversy due to past incidents involving the mosque. In 2020, sermons delivered by guest Imam Abdelmohsen Abouhatab contained antisemitic remarks referring to Jews as the vilest of all people and labeling them enemies of Allah. The Al-Aqsa leadership promptly condemned these statements and collaborated with the Anti-Defamation League to address the issue. Governor Shapiro, who is Jewish, emphasized his commitment to inclusivity and support for the Muslim community during a recent iftar dinner at the mosque. He stated, "I have got their back and I'm going to protect them, and I'm going to do everything in my power to ensure that their rights are protected here in the commonwealth."